Good morning, guys! Good morning. Ay, no. Good noon. Good noon, everyone. So, today is Saturday and plano sana namin ni Rain na magpunta ng Melbourne today but na-change yung plans. So, dito na lang kami sa sa lugar nila. Magmo-malling kami. Magmo-malling kami. Siguro sa mga next na araw na lang yung mag-Melbourne kami. Yep, nandyan si Rain sa labas. Nagpapagasolina. Yan. Self-service yan. Naglagay na tayo ng lipstick kasi ang pale ko. Okay. Yung lipstick na ginamit ko is this one from Maybelline. Bagong bili ko to siya. Nabili ko to siya sa sa Priceline Pharmacy. Yung shade niya is 135 Globe Rotter. Throtter. Globe Throtter. Tama ba yung pa-pronounce ko? Basta yun. I really like this shade. Okay ba? All good. Punta kaming mall ngayon. Kulang pa kasi yung mga damit ko, guys. Katulad nito, pabalik-balik ako ng ganito. Hindi, wala akong masyadong, mga jumper, mga jackets. Wala akong masyadong ganun. Kaya, magtingin-tingin kami if may, magagandang makita doon. So, andyan na si Rain. But, okay. Gasoline boy on duty. Sige. Yan. Bagong trabaho niya yan. Dito na kami sa mall, dito sa parking area, and we are about to go. Let's go. Dito kami nakapark sa rooftop. Rooftop tawag. Rooftop. Let's go. Mainit, that's good. Hindi ko carry yung dito, guys. Oops, open akong buttons. Yeah.
How many percent?
What?
How many percent? Out of 10.
Out of 10. Yeah.
The way I dressed up.
5.
5. It's okay for me.
9.
Wow.
Yep. Look at you. Hindi ko lang gusto yung magtatag ka. Hate that. Di bagay. Yeah. Charkot ka eh.
Ikaw, mga 9 foot.
Ne?
Out of 10. Wala ang 1 to because you're listening to something.
Of course. Tayo i-available yung pababa. So,
Say it again.
Hi, wait online. Where the boots are.
naka-sale siya, guys. Perfect. Instead of $49, $10 na lang.
How much this one? Some of them is the price. How much is it? There's no price.
If you go to Neighbor, they'll be able to tell you.
Okay.
Same ko na tanan.
Okay. Not gonna do it. I don't do it. Size 8. Say it.
So, binili namin yung dalawa guys. Yung color na, anong color nito? Dark gray? Brown? I don't know. Tsaka itong black na boots. Because ano siya, clearance sale.
Instead, $100 to now Filipino.
Yeah. Sale.
Like $50 each.
So, dito kami sa kids section. Bili kami ng mga piriregalo para this Christmas sa kanila. Dito kami sa mga damit na section guys. Hindi kami dun sa toys. Kasi madami ng toys yung mga kids and ano lang. Gusto ko yung damit yung ibibigay namin para 'di ba makita namin araw-araw. Araw-araw. At least makita man lang namin na suot nila. Cute. Ang cute. Sobrang cute niya, guys. Kain muna kami, guys. Dito kami ngayon sa KFC. Nagutom kami, guys. 2 hours kami din sa Target. Ay, sobrang gutom talaga ako. Malit lang yung kinain ko. Kain tayo, guys. Tcharam! Yum! 6.
First one.
Next is punta kami ng Asian shop. Maghahanap kami ng gusto kong gumawa ng mango graham. Mango float. Mango graham. We're going to the Asian shop. Nice yung weather today. It's not really cold. Mainit na siya. Start of summer na. June, no? Alas, we're here.
It looks good.
Good. Punta tayo ng Asian shop, guys. Oy!
Sige lang. Go. Bantay kayo na yun.
Buing, ay. Ito tayong Asian shop. Bili tayo ng mga ingredients para sa mango float. Actually, last week, gumawa ako ng mango tapioca kasi gusto rin tayo ng parents ni Ring. So, yun. There you are. Sa model. Hack. 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 Go, 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 go. Show me your moves. Go, baby.
Oh.
Ang saon? Again, again. Go. Buang. Ja. Laban lang. So, dyan. Dyan yung Asian shop, guys. Dyan. The CVP Asian Supermarket. Dito tayo. Bili tayo ng mga Asian na products.
So, mango,
Oh,
$10. That's not so because the same one up there, that's like $4.
too much ang price dito.
I'll show you the durian.
Di ba bumili tayo at magkano yung doon sa
$4.
Pulse?
$4.
4? Mahal yung mangga nila dito, guys. $10.
Guys.
Guys, mahal yung mangga, guys.
Where's my durian, guys?
Mahal. Hindi ko bet. Here you go. Here you go. And this one. Basket, please. Kuha tayo ng mga tatlo nito. Okay lang. So, gagawa daw kami ng tapioca again and again. Bili kami ng tapioca, guys. Yung binili namin last time is dito. Pero ito ata yung nabili natin last time. Oh, ito yung nabili natin last time.
Let's try this one.
Oh, yeah, that one.
Let's try this one.
May isa pa. Sagu. This one, no price. Perfect. This one na lang.
Ano lang?
I think this one. Yeah. B, condense and evap. Condense and... No, my favorite. My favorite. My favorite.
Oh,
Huh? How much? So,
250 anyway.
250?
I do. More than 250.
You like 2 for $5?
One?
Sige. Mahal. Mahal dito na Asian shop. Ito lang. Ito lang. Ito. You wanna try Samyang challenge?
You know? Challenge.
Yung para sa sa Jollibee ba? Na yung paprika.
Ano kung nabas nabligyan siya?
Yeah. Ask B if may naghahanap kasi ako ng guys, sili. Yung sa atin nga sili ba? Kasi iba yung sili na dito, di ko talaga bet yung lasa. Ako na addict sa sili. Kaya espada man.
No, it's not hot.
Not really. Mas maanghang yung maliit na sili. Yung maliliit. Oh my goodness, $10. Oh my God. B, $10. Ay, 3. 3 for 10. So this one is 12. Gabi, 3.
Sige, para.
Yan lang muna.
Yan na.
Ah. This one? Go.
Satisfied ka.
Samyang, where's Samyang? You don't wanna try?
No.
Oh, Samyang. Ah, wala. Yung ano.
There you go.
Oh,
2 times.
challenge. Nope. I challenge you? Nope. Ayaw niya talaga, guys. Hindi natin napipilit.
That's only times 2.
Times
I
2.
want times 10.
Times 10. Times 10. Di mo nga kaya yung ano. Grabe siya.
Do you have durian here?
Mingo, Mingo. This one, B. Ah,
Hey, come here.
mas masarap yung ganito, guys.
Durian, ilang ba sulod?
Ang ready packed.
Kuwan ka ba sulod? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Tingnan yung presyo, guys. $19. Almost 20.
That's
My
800
goodness.
pesos. 800 pesos. Kuwan na sulod.
Sige lang, next time, magbibenta ako dito ng durian.
5 rakaliso.
5
4 to 5 liso. $20.
piso. Hi guys, hindi na ako nakapag-update sa inyo kanina. Actually, nakauwi kami sa bahay after namin sa Asian supermarket. And, ayan, natulog sa rain. O din, nagpahinga lang kami. At dito kami ngayon sa, Pizza Hut. And, food trip kami ngayon. And after nito is pupunta kami sa, waterfront. Mag-ano kami guys, watch kami ng fireworks display. 9 p.m. daw mag-start, but it's 9 now. Ewan ko if nag-start na ba. Ayan, so yung nag-order. So, yung kukunin namin is yung Hawaiian.
What's this deal you have here? What's this deal? Is that the one? Is it? Is it the one? Hawaiian?
Hawaiian?
You want thick or thin?
Thin.
So, how big is the medium?
This box, the last one.
Another one?
Yeah.
So that's a large. So you want the large? Okay, can I have the large one?
Yeah.
Oh, and you have what's that? Is that with spicy sauce? But we have spicy sauce.
Spicy sauce, we have the barbecue sauce.
Oh my goodness, I forgot my sauce.
And also wings.
Wala silang hot sauce.
That both type of wings.
It's okay. Funny lang guys, kasi nagpapadali ako umalis sa bahay. Tapos, tignan niyo. Nakapangbahay ako, pang ano lang to eh, pangbahay ko lang to eh. So yung nasuot ko na kalimutan ko. Pero sige lang, kasi, hindi naman siguro ang kita yung ano ko doon. Gusto sana na yung, mag-books ako, pero, itatry ko kasi yung, yung nabili namin kanina. Kasi gabi, nakapag-shopping kami ni Rain. Kasi yung halos lahat ng nabili namin is lahat naka-half price. So, grabe, bongga talaga. Imagine mo, more than half price. Kasi, yung original price is $50. And then, yung nabili na namin, yung price is $10. So, ang laki lang sa save namin. So, ipapakita ko yun sa inyo mamaya or tomorrow, mag-haul ako. For sure. So, babalikan lang namin yung pizza namin, guys. Kasi, mag-change ako ng shoes. Ishish!
Kasi yung shoes ko na... Sabihin mo. Anong shoes dala mo?
Pambahay.
Yung shoes
Ano
dala
ba?
niya...
Tanga-tangahan lang.
Ang shoes dala niya is kulay pink. Yung isa kay kulay white.
Bueng. No.
Super excited, that's why.
Hindi pa nag-start.
in your eyes
Go, go.
for the first time.
Good thing malapit lang dito. Yung bahay nila. Dito na kami. Nakabalik na kami sa ano guys. Sa Pizza Hut. So ka-video call ko yung cousin ko. Say hi, Pai. Hello. So yan, naka-shoes na. Naka-shoes na rin sa wakas. It's a cold weather today here. Ay, no. Kanina mainit. Tapos ngayon is malamig siya. Here's the pizza, guys. Okay, let's eat. Nag-start na yung fireworks display, guys. Kanina pa yan nag-start. Wala na. Oh, yan. Hindi na tayo makaabot, be.
Why not? Sila pa yung pizza.
Wow. Yan yung fireworks display nila, guys. Yan yung fireworks. Daming tao. Tapos na. Tapos na. Daming tao, guys. Hi, guys. So, galing kami dyan. Papik. It's really cold.
Lasing na si Yin, galing kami doon.
No, no way.
Inuman kami doon. Inom siya ng alcohol sa akin. Milk at saka tubig lang.
Sure ba? It's cold.
I don't smoke. I don't drink.
Yeah.
All I know is to care my baby.
Sad, huh? Tapos na kaming magpa-picture doon, guys. Pumunta lang kami doon para magpa-picture. Ano yun doon? Parang bar?
Nitong oras, meron nag-fishing. Oh.
Fishing? Fishing. Yan, dyan din. Sa dagat yan. Fishing. It's really cold. Nag-fishing sila. We're going home now. So mag-try on haul tayo today. Tonight. Or tomorrow na lang. Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Okay, so tomorrow na lang yung mga yung mga nabili namin na mga damit. At
Tonight, we can do it tonight. Why not? Got plenty of time.
I don't think so.
She do shopping again. God.
Kulang ako sa damit, no? Grabe siya. Wala akong enough na jumper.
She bought a 2 Australian boots
Yes.
and heaps of stuff. Heaps. Me, I didn't get anything, any single one piece. No.
Cause marami ka ng mga, no?
Hello, I don't like shopping anymore. I'm gonna shop for her now. Not for
Eh,
me.
mga branded yung mga yung mga damit mo. Sa akin is mga mura lang, okay na. Hindi naman ako maarte sa mga damit. Basta, depende yan sa nagsusuot eh. Am I right?
Yeah,
Am I right?
you're right.
I'm right. It's really cold.
Summer here, but at night time it's a little bit cold.
Yeah. Kanina, mainit
It's
siya
like
kanina,
10
guys.
degrees.
Oo. Ngayon is, maginaw na siya. Tapos na yung fireworks
Or less 10
display.
degrees, yeah. But in daytime, well, be 20 plus.
Hindi kami nakahabol sa, sa fireworks display. Nakahabol kami. Pero
We
hindi.
did just in halfway.
Yeah. Halfway. Saan ka nag-park din?
Just right there. Next to the police car.
Oh? Parang na ano yung drunk man, Yeah. Depressed. Kasi.
Dito sa ground. Smoke our shells.
We're walking back up to the...
It's McDonald.
Another
We are going home to the... tomorrow na lang kami guys, mag-turn hall kasi busog ako today.
Look at the Christmas tree.
Ano? Yan yung big Christmas tree nila.
Stop.
Tomorrow na lang akong mag-try on haul kasi busog ako today. Malaki yung chan ko.
What? What?
Malaki yung chan ko.
What? Tomorrow what?
Tomorrow morning.
What are you doing for tomorrow morning?
Try on haul the stuff that we bought. Yeah.
Yeah, but you can do it tonight. You have to vlog it tonight.
Nope. I gotta beat tummy. Because I'm full.
Just show it to them.
Can you tell them what is this?
That's is that what he called a sa Pinas is yacht.
Yacht. Okay. What do you call it here?
At the middle, our Christmas tree is in the middle of ocean.
Ocean. Seaside.
Seaside.
Yeah.
Like that.
Welcome to Australia. It's really cold, guys. Really cold. Maglagay ako dito para ano.
We went there before. Guys, right there. Went there.
2 weeks na akong walang sweat. Hindi ako nakaka-feel ng sweat dahil sa sobrang ginaw.
It's not sweating.
Grabe.
Not like in Pinas.
So this is the yacht. Show them, babe. Show them. Here. The yacht. Okay, that one.
There's another one coming.
Picture tayo dito, babe. We can't because it's against the light. Ay. Oh, against the light.
We're going home now.
Okay, all good.
We're
We're going home.
going home. We're going home. Till the world will go.
Yeah. Jacket? Dito na sa bahay, guys. So, ito yung mga nabili ko. Ito. This one is nabili ko sa Ali. Okay, so try on haul ko to siya bukas. So, marami-rami to. And also, nakabili ako ng 2 boots. This one, naka-sale to siya, guys. This, ang original price niya is, $50. And yung, yung clearance sale niya is $10. Alright? So, yan. Ay, $49 pala siya, guys. So, bongga kasi naka-sale ako. And also, nakabili ako nitong 2 sandals na to. This one. Those shoes. And this one. Anong tawag nito, guys? This one. Cute. So, yan yung mga nabili ko. And yung mga nabili namin sa Asian shop is bumili kami ng junk foods din. And also, bumili ako ng sili. Of course, I need sili in my life. And hindi pa ako nakontento, bumili pa ako ng paprika na powder. Paprika naman talaga yun. Yan guys. So, bukas, abang-abangan nyo kasi ito-try on haul ko siya. Ito lahat. At ipaparate ko ka rin. So, yep. Kakain muna kami ng pizza guys. Kasi hindi naman nakain dun. Yan. And that's it for this vlog guys. Thank you all for watching. And please don't forget to like this video if you like this. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you soon. Or bukas. Bye-bye.